In this video tutorial, I'll show you how you can manage your text fonts in systemeio. System is the best and cheapest solution, especially for beginners if you want to use a marketing platform, from sales funnels to email marketing to websites, blogs, and so on. If you want to know more, please check the description of this video. Now, this is a funnel page in systemeio. It's pretty much the same I'm using for these tutorial videos, and I will show you how you can change the fonts and organize your fonts. The first thing you need to do is to set your default font. It will be used in all the pages, so you will have the same fonts across your funnel. And to do it, you just need to go here above in this settings menu, and once you click, you can see you have default typography, and here below you have the heading typography. The default typography is used for normal text, and the heading typography is used for headings. So, for instance, here, as you can see, I'm using Google Fonts for this example. You can even change to web-safe fonts or custom fonts if you want. Here is where you choose the specific font. Now it's Carla. And if I change this font, you will see this text changing. So, for instance, if I choose Roboto, as you can see, now I have Roboto here. If I go to Lato, now I have Lato, and this will be applied on all your default font on your page. Obviously, you can also change the single element. I will show you in a moment. Now, you can also change the font style. So let's change it again to Carla, and as you can see, it's regular right now. By clicking here, you can choose the style of your font. So, for instance, extra bold. As you can see, now it's changed and it's extra bold, and so on. You can go light, and the regular is the default one. You can change the font size and the line height here. Again, this is for the default typography. And here you have heading typography. It's the same, so in this case is Rubik. This is a headline. If I change here to extra bold, it changes, and if I change the Rubik to Poppins, it changes here and even here, because both are headings. And these are again the default ones. But if you want to change a specific header or a specific text without changing the rest of your page, you can do it by selecting the specific element. So this text, for instance, if I click here, I have the specific settings for this element. This will only change this element. So font type, it's same font as the page or Carla. But I can choose here to change it by going to Google Fonts and selecting a different font. Let's say Open Sans, and it changes, only this element will be affected. The same applies to headers, so let's go here. Again, it's set as Poppins because it's the one I choose before, and I can go here and even use custom fonts. You can upload the fonts if you want, use web-safe fonts if you prefer, Times New Roman, for instance, and as you can see, it changes. This is how you manage your fonts and your elements font in systemeio. It's super easy, but if you have doubts or questions, please leave a comment below, click on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and if you want, you can take a look at my other tutorials here on the channel. Thank you very much for watching.